Our next award is one of our new awards, the Scientific Entrepreneurship Award. This award is supported by Acuitas and will be presented on behalf of the Acuitas team by Dr. Ying Tam, CSO.
First of all, thank you so much for the introduction. I want to say that Acuitas Therapeutics is extremely proud to sponsor the Life Sciences BC Scientific Entrepreneurship Award, particularly because innovation, which is so much a seminal part of entrepreneurship, is also at the heart of who we are at Acuitas. For those of you who don't know us, Acuitas is a biotechnology company that is focused exclusively on developing lipid nanoparticle delivery systems to enable nucleic acid-based medicines. Indeed, if you've received the COVID-19 vaccine Comirnaty, you'll know in a real way the role that our LNPs play in enabling mRNA to perform its really important and often life-saving role. As a global leader in the development of lipid nanoparticles, we work with partners to bring new medicines to the clinic and beyond in a very wide range of, to address a very wide range of unmet clinical need. And I think that tells us this is a very exciting time to be an entrepreneur. And in that vein, this award celebrates an exceptional scientific entrepreneur from one of BC's research institutions who has founded one or more successful businesses to bring innovation to the market to address an unmet medical need. Additionally, this award celebrates a winner who actively mentors an emerging group of scientists to foster the growth of the next generation of successful entrepreneurs. And finally, this award celebrates leadership, which has significantly advanced the sector. And in summary to all of that, I'm thrilled to announce that the winner of this year's Scientific Entrepreneur Award is Dr. Peter Zandstra. Dr. Zandstra's work focuses on the progression of regenerative medicine and immunotherapy. His education includes B.Eng in chemical engineering from McGill University, a PhD in chemical engineering and biotechnology from the University of British Columbia, and a postdoctoral fellowship in bioengineering from MIT. His research, which incorporates engineering design principles, computational modeling, and stem cell biology, is geared towards understanding the mechanisms that control cell fate. And as well, he is developing new therapeutic strategies for diseases such as cancer and autoimmunity. His lab has produced over 170 peer-reviewed publications, which in turn have garnered almost 22,000 citations. And he has developed commercially applicable technologies for gene and cell therapies. Recognized with over 30 awards, including membership in the Order of Canada, Dr. Zandstra's exceptional influence can maybe be most profoundly seen through his students and his postdoctoral fellows who have succeeded in a variety of sectors as their careers have progressed. What an amazing legacy to help others build careers which in turn advance human health. Beyond his academic collaborations, he has co-founded the Center for Commercialization of Regenerative Medicines, Medicine by Design, and he has also been seminal in helping to establish UBC's School of Biomedical Engineering, all of which have demonstrated his commitment to interdisciplinary research and promoting Canadian science and engineering globally. Please enjoy this video that highlights Dr. Zandstra's work in his own words.
My lab's interested in the development of functional blood cells from stem cells, focused on kind of understanding how cells make cell fate decisions during that process, as well as developing technologies that take advantage of that knowledge through either scale up or added functionalization of those cells using cell engineering. I think one of the things that we've seen over the years is how really good science is the foundation of important new ideas which then move forward and have an impact on society. It's interesting because I'm a bioengineer by training, and translational research is really part of engineering, which is how do you apply your technologies to improve humankind and have those applications. And in the biotech space, it's no different, really. There's fantastic opportunities. Yeah, it's a fantastic honor, first of all, to be recognized by my peers this way. I think like any award, it's really an award that requires contributions from many people. The types of organizations that I've worked with, the Center for CCRM, the SBME, the companies that we've created, I've all learned a little bit from each one of them, and to be able to take that forward and to be able to be part of that process and to celebrate that process, I think is really important. I'm most proud of the people that have come through my lab and being able to observe the impact that they're having. Many of the organizations that I helped co-create are now great places where those people are showing leadership and really bringing forward the next stages of development in the biotech ecosystem. Science is hard. Entrepreneurship in science is really hard. And if you're not really enjoying what you're doing and you're not thrilled by the work you're trying to do, it's going to be an uphill battle. So that's one. The second one is ask big questions. The fields don't get moved forward by incremental advances, and I think these are the exciting ones to approach. But with that foundation in mind, you can work towards really having an impact.
I'd like to invite Peter to the stage to receive his just desserts.
Wow. Firstly, thank you very much for this really incredible honor. Life Sciences BC's vision for the Scientific Entrepreneurship Award, I think, is very important for our community. I'm deeply humbled to be the inaugural recipient, and really to share this special moment with the amazing other co-awardees that were on stage today. Laura and Haig are really inspirational, and it's really a thrill to be here. Reflecting on the concept of scientific entrepreneurship and the essence of this award, I'm really genuinely excited about the catalytic effect that recognitions like this can have on efforts within our community. There are many things that inspire scientific entrepreneurship. For me, it primarily revolves around two aspects: the responsibility that we hold as funded scientists and engineers to play a role in helping translate the discoveries and innovations from our labs to society and ultimately to patients. And secondly, to contribute to building our ecosystem and providing career paths in Canada, in British Columbia, and opportunities for the outstanding individuals that come through our lab and our organizations. It's also worth pausing for a moment to contemplate what scientific entrepreneurship means and how it has evolved over the years. I believe the shifts in the research endeavor at universities over the last 2 decades, involving greater independence and responsibilities at the individual faculty lab level, although really challenging from many perspectives, are playing a role in teaching our academic scientists and engineers to become entrepreneurs as part of the academic process. I think this will have an interesting effect over the next little while. I've been fortunate to learn over many years from experts and inevitably from making many mistakes. I'm grateful for the experience I've gained working hand in hand with the organizations I helped co-found, from the not-for-profit CCRM to Canadian biotech ventures such as Excelthera, Notch, and now Apiary Therapeutics. Oh, Apiary is in stealth, I wasn't supposed to say that. Beyond these more traditional scientific entrepreneurship efforts, I'm incredibly enthusiastic about the impact the UBC School of Biomedical Engineering is making on our ecosystem. Amongst the many challenges in venture creation and entrepreneurship, some important ones include access to talent and infrastructure. In partnership with a formidable leadership team at the SBME, some of which are here today, and with visionary support from leaders at UBC, such as James Olson and Dermot Kelleher, and the BC government at various levels, we're really excited about the progress we're making and look forward to welcoming you to our new building, Canada's first purpose-built biomedical engineering infrastructure, in early 2025. Lastly, there are a few special acknowledgements I'd like to make. First, to my lab and lab alumni. Working closely with the smart and passionate trainees on exciting research projects has been a significant source of enjoyment during my complicated provincial life. Secondly, I'm delighted to acknowledge and thank my spouse, Nancy, who's here today, and it's tough to get her to work events. Her partnership, support, and consistently invaluable insights have been indispensable throughout my career and for our family. To everyone here, thank you very much for this recognition.
There are a lot of tall people in this sector. Congratulations, Peter. As you said, you are the inaugural recipient, and you have certainly set a high bar for future recipients. And as if Peter isn't busy enough, he joined the LSBC board on Tuesday, so we'll be sure to keep him busy there too. We are moving on to dessert, so we're going to take a short break again, stretch your legs, meet new friends, connect with old friends, and we'll see you soon.